What's features highlight? About Vonvecy 4K dual dash cam, 4K front and 1080p rear dash camera for cars. We will introduce the features and brief details. What's features including? To make a decision before buy order. 4K plus 1080p dual dash cam. The 4K dual dash camera offers cinematic 4K 3840x2160 at 30 fps in the front and 1080p in the rear, capturing all important license plates and road signs clearly and providing you with better defined details. The waterproof rear camera can clearly capture road conditions in rainy days, protecting you to drive reliably no matter in sunny or rainy days. The dashboard features a super capacitor that can withstand extreme temperature ranges of 14 degrees Fahrenheit to 122 degrees Fahrenheit. It protects against the risk of overheating and explosion, which also ensures the longevity as well as reliability of the dash cam. With a dedicated hardware kit, the recorder can automatically monitor the surrounding environment 24 hours a day, and when the built-in G sensor detects a sudden shock or collision, the camera records and saves these important events. Loop recording enable for efficient storage management. The oldest file will be erased by the newest to make room for the new recording. Using Super Night Vision, f/1.8 aperture, and WDR technology to balance extreme changes in bright and dark conditions, record stunning details even in low-light environments, ensuring high contrast and excellent scene reproduction. Wide viewing angles of 170-degree front and 140-degree rear provide maximum road coverage and high-quality images and videos with true color reproduction. It supports real-time speed view in km/h or mp/h on the dash cam, and tracks your vehicle's location, driving route, speed, and other information of every journey. You can also playback the GPS videos on GX Player to ensure that the evidence is protected in the event of an accident. If you hesitate or have questions, we recommend that you click the link in the YouTube details, to see all the detail before actually ordering. And of course, we are affiliated with Amazon.com. You can get early reviews of products with little or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter purchasing decisions. If you think our channel is useful for you, you can subscribe and press the bell and select all to receive instant notifications for all future uploads.